Hi students, warm welcome to Strategy Talk on Vectors and 3D in JEE Advanced Preparation. JEE Advanced examination is completely a mixed bag. It consists majority of very well designed, interesting problems which deal beautifully with concepts. Hardly we get mechanical calculation based questions. So that's why JEE Advanced is always unique and different among all other examinations. Now coming to our talk, as we know there are 2 points. One is question analysis in vectors and 3D from recent JEE advanced examinations, and the second one is our strategy enhancement. In question analysis, I analyzed the last 3 years 2019, 18 and 17. In each year, we get 4 questions from vectors and 3-dimensional geometry. In 2019, from paper 1, one multi-correct type question and numerical type question. Multi-correct type questions is from straight lines which were given in vector form, and numerical type questions based on lines, plane and area of triangle related. In paper 2, again MCQ and numerical type questions. In multi-correct type question, based on 3 lines were given and based on point of intersection. Coming to numerical type question, projection and minimum value of dot product. Coming to 2018, 1 MCQ, 3 numerical type questions. In paper 1, MCQ and numerical type, and paper 2, 2 numerical type questions. MCQ question was based on planes and 4 individual conditions, and numerical question 1, angle between vectors. Second numerical question is on planes, and third one is on cube and vector product by 4 vectors. Coming to 2017, paper 1 no question was given, but coming to paper 2, 2 single correct type questions and 1 paragraph which contains 2 questions. Single correct type question based on equation of planes and dot product. Paragraph question based on triangle and cyclic notations. So that means every year we get 4 questions, but it is not a rule. But last 3-year question analysis says us. And one good thing for all of you is these questions are completely straightforward and basic questions. With a little bit effort, most of the students can solve these 2 questions. As I said in the previous video, you can make vectors and 3D as your one of the best friend in your journey. Strategy enhancement. In JEE advanced preparation, we need to see enhancement of our skill set day by day, chapter to chapter. It's not like a conceptual learning points and elementary applications. Even one student is very good at these 2 points, and those who are heading to the medium level and higher level applications will see enhancement in their creative and critical thinking skills. For example, when you solve a question, once you understand and once you analyze, and you will get initial judgment of a question to arrive final point, that comes under critical thinking skill set. Once you start question, you get your own way to reach a final point, that comes under creative thinking skill set. For each and every question, those who observe these 2 skill set improvement definitely will get immense confidence, and they experience the difference in their thinking levels day by day. It's not like just solving a question. Enhancement of the skill set, adaptability of new challenges while doing questions. These are the most important experiences one must experience. Coming to our particular vectors and 3D, I broadly divide the more friendly concepts in this case. 7 points like vectors basics, dot product, vector product, scalar triple product, vector triple product, direction cosines, direction ratios, lines and planes. But once you collect conceptual points for the JEE Advanced, which is slightly different from the JEE Mains. Suppose a straight lines. For straight lines, you collect all the points as you collect in JEE Mains preparation, and after that you see the possibility of application of these skills, these results in different chapters at different situations. You try to collect as many as possible. Just you imagine and do some questions which require the applications of the different parts what you have identified. So in-depth study or in-depth understanding of subject is most essential for JEE Advanced. At the same time, it is foolish to say something is important and not important as far as advanced examination is concerned. But greater understanding on basics, more awareness on inter-application based questions will help you to improve your chances of success. Right. So day by day, you try to hone your skill set. Finally, wish all success for your vectors and 3D preparation. Stay tuned to discussion on vectors and 3D conceptual points. Thank you.